Alrighty then. Okay, listen. Listen. Yeah. All right. Okay. All right. So we have a. All right. So we have a predetermined pivot resistance 90. Right. So what does that mean? Well, that means that I'm expecting. Right. This is the big picture. Right. The big picture is 90. Right. 90 and what was the other one? Steve 50. Right.
50, yeah.
Okay. 50. Here we go. So we have a 40 point. So we have a 40 point um, uh, major channel. Okay, now we need to find out. All right, top down. Now we need to rise. Okay, so hold on a second. Let's see. Right. Okay, so 90 is a sell, 50 is a buy. It's a predetermined pivot of support, predetermined pivot resistance. All right. So that's 40 points apart range, right? All right. So you make sure you leave it there. And let's see. The overall market direction is sideways. Okay. So we know that. And this wave right here, we're trying to figure out uh, if it's a snake or is it a bull? Is it a bear? Is it a is it a okay? Is it a whistle? Is it a kangaroo? What type of wave is this? Right? We want to know. All right. So in other words, what's the high and the low of this wave, and which one is stronger, and which one is the price looking to take, and where is it gonna go? Right? That's a right, Misty.
Yeah.
That's a big uh, uh, forecast, right?
Yes.
All right then. Well, we believe that is the high 74, the one that is gonna be taken. And all right. So what if? Okay. So we believe. So the high of this wave is 74, and what's the low mistake? 68. Okay.
68, yeah.
All right. All right. So the here it is. Okay. So we are on a 68. Look, it's an extremely uh, not extremely, but very small wave. All righty. Okay. So we believe that the price is going to take 74 before it takes 68 to the downside. All right. So we have direction. Remember, uh, we at all times. Okay. We at all times. Uh, we at all times. Alrighty then. Okay. Hold on a second. Okay. We at all times want to know direction, entry location, right? Stop protection, target destination, right? Position size. At all times, we want to know all of that. So, all right. So a clean break of 74. Where is the price gonna go? Well, it's gonna go to 79. It's only gonna go. It's only gonna go. Not much. All right. Here, 79. Okay, clean break of 74, and the price is gonna continue going to 79, right? But what if? What if we're wrong in our prediction addiction? And instead of breaking 74, we get some we get some leaping here. This 6 points. 6 points is this wave. Can you believe that? 6 points. Very small wave. So what if the price breaks 68? Where is it gonna go? Right? If the price breaks 68, okay, it's not 68 anymore. Now it's 67. All right. If the price breaks 67, oh please, are you kidding me? There's a whole bunch of little supports here. All right. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty then. Hold on a second. Give me 1 second right here. Hold on a second. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So price is taking the high 74, right? And it's going to 79. Okay, and the what if is and the what can huh? Okay, and the what if is okay, hold on a second. Y se salió, right? Sí. Se metió y se salió. Sí. Sí, sí, no, habla de bueno, avísame si se mete. Está pendiente de eso, porque ya yo le dije que no. ¿Borro o...? Sí, borro. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so I told you, price is gonna break 74. It's going to 79. Well, gee, we thought it was gonna take a little longer, right? But Smart Money decided to do it 15 minutes before the open, and whatever makes them happy, right? Yeah. Okay, so 67. Okay, 67. And ¿cuál era la otra? Okay. No, and 60. Okay. Oh, these, yeah. So we have 50 and 60. All right. So we have. All right. So we have. All right, ladies and gentlemen. 60. Right. If the Smart Money decides to turn around and go south and break all righty then. Okay, and break. All right, here it is. Oh, gee. Okay. All righty, hold on a second. And break 70. Clean break of 70. Clean break of 70. Bears take control. Price is gonna go to 67. Bounce a little bit, but it's gonna be looking to go all the way to 60. All right. So this is what we have, right? So 60 for now. Right. 60 is target one for the bears, right? If we go short, right? If we go short, clean break of 70, price is gonna go 3 points more down. Yeah, it's gonna right. It's gonna give everybody a little bit of hard time, but as long as the price has a clean break of 70, it'll go to 67, and then target one for the bears is gonna be 60. Alrighty, okay, and here we are, and right, but we believe that a break of 74, which is the high of this wave, is the one that the price is gonna be taken. Yeah, it's taking a little bit now, right? Let's see. Okay, took 74, it went all the way to 75 half. So as long as the price continue being above 74, we believe that the bulls are in control and they're gonna take it to 79, right? Now, what time it is right now? 9:20. 10 minutes to open, right? 10 minutes to open. 10 minutes to open. And we all know that anything can happen at the open. Can it not, mistake?
Oh, sure can.
All right. Have you seen the open sometimes go up in a single bound, crazy breaks and up and down? Have you seen crazy opens before ever?
I sure have.
Okay, so all right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so we have a bias, and overall market direction sideways. We have a bullish bias on this short-term move. Look at that, back to 74, right? All right, so we have a bullish short-term bias, and we know the importance of 70. Clean break of 70, right? Then bears are in control, right? 9 minutes to open, all right? This is more like it, right? This is what I was expecting, more like it, right? All right, this type of this type of action right here. All right. Okay. So time right now 9:21. Overall market direction sideways. Okay. Predetermined pivot resistance 90. Predetermined pivot support 50. There's gonna be a whole bunch of little supports and resistances in the way. Our job is to look for them, be in alignment with the price action, see how the price behaves at one of our targets, look for a counter trend so that we can milk every single move as much as possible, right? Alrighty then. All right, so we have this 74, right? We have 74 and 70, right? All right, now clean break of 70. Yo dije que iba para 67, right?
Yes.
More. It'll. Okay, so we're gonna.
And then 6.
It'll. Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna bring that 67. We're gonna bring it down to 65. All right. So what is the price gonna do? Clean break of 70. 67 is gonna stop it a little bit, and but it's gonna be looking now to go even further to 65. All right. So 65 is support. All right. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. We still believe that, right? We still believe that that the break is gonna be to the upside. Already happened. Already broke 74, right? At 916. I told you that the price was gonna, before it broke, like around 910, somewhere around here. All right. So he took it. He went up 6 ticks, right? Big time chop, FOMC. All right. So we believe that the direction of this wave is bullish. Break of 74 already gave us a little bit. No volatility. There isn't enough gunpowder to take it to 79 on a straight line like we would have liked to, right? Okay. So, oh my God. So what do we do then? Direction is what, Mystic?
King.
Direction is king. So we believe, right? So, all right. So smart money. Listen to this. Smart money. They 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 want to take it uh, up to 79 and God knows where else, right? And we all know their tricks, right?
Yes.
Okay, so they might not take it from the open. They might first go down, right? We know if they go down exactly, they cannot help it. If they clean break 70, they cannot stop it, right? They cannot stop it, all right? And and then right, it'll go to 60 to 65 via 67. Via like that, via.
I like Via.
All right, back to 74, right? So we have this 70 here telling us, all right, no, don't if you're long, you're good, all right. And if clean break of 70, look at that, boom, 70, right? Okay, time right now 9:27, 3 minutes to open, and we are all clear exactly as to what to expect, and we are also clear as to what if. What if what? What if the forecast? What if our main prediction? What if the price does the opposite of what we think is going to do? Right? We're clear there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the that 70 it's a range. Okay, it's a 2 point range. 68. All right, so forget about 67. No, don't forget about 67. All righty, at 70 now it got a little bit more complicated because a clean break of 70 is not 70 anymore. Now it's a 2 point range. Alrighty. Okay. Yeah, that's right. 70.68. All right. Okay. So then, all right. So let's see what's gonna happen here at right. So let's see what's gonna happen here at 72. All right. Okay. So right. So look, we have 68, we have 70, we have 72, protecting the bullish action. Okay. Okay. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay, mistake. It looked like we knew what we were talking about.
It sure does.
Yeah. Alrighty then.
That's it. Nas is +5.
Okay then. Right.
Yep.
Good. Alrighty then. It's 79.80, right? Pretty good. Alrighty then. Let's go, baby. Alrighty then. So let's go, right? Let's go where? 90.
90. Yep.
Okay. Let's go 90 unless I tell you otherwise. Right?
Right.
Okay, my friend. Let's do 90. Okay. It's 82. All right. So, right, for break 74, right? Right, we are all long here. This 70, 74. So mid range is 72. Gee, what a coincidence! Look at the pivot low, 72, protecting our direction. Direction is king, isn't it, Mister?
Yes.
I asked you 5 minutes ago, didn't I?
Yes, you did.
All right, that's all right. So let's write this baby all the way to 90. So we're gonna right. So 74. 74 to 90, we're looking for how many points? Okay, we're looking for 16 points, right?
Mm-hmm.
Target 1, 16 points. Are we gonna get it in one straight line, Misty?
Most likely not.
Most likely not. All right. So, but hang in there. Alrighty. Okay, because I'm looking to see if it's smart money. So remember what I told you. Sometimes they turn around to trick you. Sometimes they cannot. All right. Okay. So that's our job is to see when the smart money is looking to trick us. All righty. All right. Ladies and gentlemen. So all right. Listen. All right. So we are after 16 points, right? From the breakout. Some of you are long below so that you can have a better risk reward ratio and a better jump, right? So we believe price is gonna go to 90 right now. 90, even the teenagers know 90. It's resistance, right? Everybody knows that, and so we have to be on the lookout for bears looking to jump the gun, right? They're gonna go short 90. A whole bunch of teenagers are gonna go long because this is the only setup that they know, right? So, and the reason this is the only because it's the one that everybody can see in the planet, right? So it's like a self-fulfilling, whatever the saying goes, right? So we have to be on the lookout for bears jumping the gun 90. So it's not gonna be an it's gonna be it's gonna take a lot of discipline to let it ride all the way to 90, right? Just went to 86. We want 4 more points. But look, this is the bears jumping the gun. What I just started telling you 2 minutes ago when the price was right here 86. Look at that. They won't even let it go to 90, right? All jumping the gun. However, we're not gonna jump the gun. Okay, we're going to we're going to we're going to with utmost discipline continue our trading plan. All right. If we don't buy a Lamborghini on this trade, so be it. No big deal. All right. Now, of course, those professional bull traders, those who trade who trade solid money, not scare money, and they have multiple contract, multiple cars, then you can take like Nas, you can take the mid range, right? 85 right here is the mid range, right? Between 70 between 79 and 90, right? 80, 90, right? That's 10 points. What's the mid range? 5 points, 85, 50. You can take, 5 from 74. You're taking 9 points, 9, 10, 11 points if you did a little bit better here, right? Lock those profits, and let's give the price action a little bit more time. This pullback right here, we knew it 5 minutes ago. I told you this is a self-fulfilling. I forgot the name of self-fulfilling. I know, whatever. All right, okay, all right. Prophecy. Thank you. Self-fulfilling prophecy. All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so look at that, all the way to 79, right? Remember 79? 79 was our first destination, right? Break of 74. Smart money cannot not go to 79. They cannot. I measure it. And look at what happened. In less than a minute, they already went to 80. So what do you think this 79 is now? Support. Resistance, right? Become support. Support become resistance. Price pulls. This is like a classic action. All right? Come on. Price goes to 86. Bears knows that 90 is a double, whatever, it's a double top. They jump the gun, right? Fear of missing out. They take the price all the way to where? To our 79. They cannot take it. So what does that tell us? That tells us that we are on the right side of the angels. That's what it looks like. All right. We wanted 72. We wanted a break of 74. Confirmation bulls are in control. 72 also. We had a range of 2 points, 70, 68, just in case, what if. The price is doing exactly what we wanted to do and what we saw, right? What we saw it was going to happen. And we know what the price is doing 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before, 15 minutes before, half an hour before. You got to have an edge. If you don't have an edge trading this market, the smart money is going to strangle you. You and whoever doesn't have this edge that we have here. And because we have this edge here, that we can predict the future so good, so well, every single day, right? That's why we are the only trading room in the world that does what we do here. Live, real time, as it is happening in front of a studio audience. Period. One trading room, one real trading room in the world. We're the only ones. I've been around. I have all my staff checking to see if there is another room like this one. We haven't been able to find one single room that does this. All right? All right, Mystique, enough of blowing my horn. I'm not blowing my horn. I'm just telling you how it is. All righty? I'm talking to you, and believe you me, I'm looking at this beautiful bounce off of G, where? Our 79. Boom, back to the high, 85. Right now, losers adding to a loser, those who went short 80, 81, now they're adding to a loser right here, right now. They have no idea that the smart money has no choice but to ride it all the way to 90 until I tell you it's not going to happen anymore. And if I don't tell you, then we're going to let the price tell us. All right?
That's right.
All right.
Shawnee said it's a prophecy.
Exactly. All right, so that's 86 half, and we're gonna ride it tonight, okay? And we are on the lookout. We're looking every single tick, every single bar, every single candle, every single minute, every single action, every single spike, every single 100% concentration, right? Looking at everything, right? If we don't look at everything the way we're doing it, what do you think is gonna happen?
They're gonna lose.
That's right. Okay, so that's why hobby traders, you know, they're beautiful people, right? Hobby traders, they think they're gonna make it in this business, right? Looky lookers, who cares about that? Freeloaders, who cares about those? Hobby traders are the ones that I am, you know, I have a dear feelings for them. They don't know. They think that if they trade the S&P 500 casually, they're gonna make it. Poor, innocent, beautiful people. If they only knew. Alrighty? Okay. And that's why we have to be on top of all those crooks, all those criminals on YouTube. Not just the teenagers, all of them. Right? And I gotta tell you, some of those criminals, they don't know how tough this is. They know they cannot make it, so that's why they have to sell bogus, crooked courses, right? Crooked, crappy courses. They sell education. We all know the truth. Alrighty then. Hang in there. Alright? We are prepared to get out of this loan any second. We're not married to this trade. The price tell us different, and then what are we gonna do, Mystic? Yes, change hats. We don't hesitate in changing hats, which is one of the most difficult things for a trader to do. They cannot change hats. Right? They can't. They cannot. All right? We change hats here on a drop of a hat. No pun intended. So that's the smart money, right? Smart money began to be vicious, didn't they? Look at it, right? They start, you know, being vicious. Look at it, right? So it takes half an hour to go here, and then in 1 minute and a half, it drops all the way. So what does that tell you? Well, that tells you a couple of things. Watch out, right? All right, with your position size. Watch out with your P&L. Don't hesitate to let the price take your trail until I tell you otherwise. Our 79 is support, and look at it, right? Look, they cannot take it, but they're looking to take it, right? Alrighty then. And remember what I told you. If the price doesn't go to our 90, sure, 74, right? We're long from 74 here and below, and price went all the way to 86, so 80, almost 87. So we had a 13-point ride, of which you should have taken 11, 10, 9 points, right? Depending on your position size. Those of you who have a small account, $100,000, right, minimum, then you can trade a couple of contracts, right, with 2 or 3 contracts, right, and you're scaling out, right? Boom, this drop, right, designed very carefully by the smart money to take the trail of everybody. You know, they succeeded, right? They don't know that we know the importance of 79. Look at that. It cannot take 79. Momentum, all right? Momentum takes it, right, all the way to to 78, 77, right? Just 1 point, right? So what's going to happen now? Oh my God, is this thing going to continue going down? Well, that's what we have to see now, right? So let's continue reading the future so that we can make a decision as to whether our 74 is going to hold and what's going to happen. All right, and what is going to happen and what is going to happen below, right? Okay, until I tell you otherwise, in terms of the overall market direction is sideways. We all know that. All right, but the short term is still bullish until I tell you it's not anymore. Okay. All right. All right. So in other words, that's why it's so important to. That's why it's so important to, to watch every second of the price action. Right. That drop from 86 all the way to, in one microsecond to 78, and now momentum takes it all the way to 76. It doesn't surprise us, right? Because we've been expecting it. We've been expecting it. I mean, we've been expecting smart money trickery, right? Some sort of trap, some sort of action to shake you out. We were expecting it way before they did it. All right, so we're gonna continue watching. Sometimes, in this case, this bounce is gonna hold. Sometimes it doesn't. We are prepared though. If it goes to the downside, we know that 74 is gonna stop it. If it doesn't, we know what's gonna happen, right? Clean break of 74. We all know, right? Okay, we'll see. All right, they're gonna, smart money. They're gonna play with 74 with everybody. All right, here we go. Okay, boom, 74. Oh my God, look at it. Right? Boom, 74. It goes to 70. Momentum takes it to 73. I kid you not. Look at your chart and tell me what happened. Boom, 73. Momentum takes it to 73. What do you think is happening at 74? Deutsche Bank is going long 74 because they know they want to go up. We are day trade. We're not investors. We're gonna play it, right? 74 is our last support, and we're going to, those of you who are so the price comes down, right? Takes the trail. We know our 74 is support. We're gonna go long 74, right? That's it. We're not gonna do it anymore. It needs to work from here. Okay? If it goes right back to 74, then remember what I told you is FOMC. The market is vicious. It's going to start playing games with everybody, and we're not going to take a chance. We already made 14 points, right? All right. We didn't take a counter trend shorts 87 because 87 is not a prosaico level. So we're not taking advantage of this beautiful drop from 87 to 73. We're not. Oh my God. Well, it is what it is. Okay. Look at the way it took 79. Are you kidding me? Look at our 79. Bang! What do you think is 79 now? It's resistance. Okay, we take a shot here. 74 once. It bounces. It bounces up all the way to 77, and clean break of 74. We've been expecting it, and right, and we lock your green. All right, because remember, trading is not just having the best system in the world in terms of knowing what the market is doing. You have to also have the psychology and the discipline and all that other stuff. Okay. All righty then. Okay, so clean break of 74, right? Okay, clean break of 74, right? We know it's going to 65. We've known it since 9 a.m. this morning. It's right here. It's been here all the time. Okay, so clean break of 74. The main play loan that we wanted the price to go to 90 is invalidated. Price clean broke 74, and now this short right here, this beautiful short 86, these are the traders in command right now. Okay, which we usually do had the price gone to our counter trend short 90, which is, you all know that it's target one for the long, and a counter trend short because uh, it was resistance. And then look at all the people that jumped the gun. 86 being rewarded beautifully right now, right? Boom, 86 all the way to 868. Beautiful. All righty then. Okay. Hey, Capi, yeah, sure. And I had my sell stop 74, and price just went to here, right? To pretty close to your level, 69, the mid range. Remember we have 68.70. Alrighty then. So it went to the mid range. Look at it. I told you. So on its way to 65, but there is a couple of points here that are going of support that are going to stop the break of 74. Didn't I tell you? This is unbelievable. This is all mathematics, by the way. Look, boom. Told you 70, 68, right? What's the mid range? The middle, 69. Price goes to exactly right in the middle of the 2-point range support, and it bounces back. That's what I mean when I say it's going to 65 by way of 69, which is the right by way of 68.70, which is only 2-point range, and the mid range is 69, right? So we're gonna leave it here at 69. At 69, okay. Alrighty then. But who is in control? Well, the Bears were in control since 86. We didn't know it. We have confirmation when we have our first confirmation when it breaks 79. I say, oh my God, these people are gonna do everything in their power to destroy the bulls, right? Right. 79 is our first indication that we're not gonna get our 90. Doesn't matter. We already got 13 points profit. All right, and we are totally and completely prepared for a change of hat that has to happen gradually. Our first indication that the Bears are taking over is when it finally takes 79. Look, it couldn't take it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. It couldn't take it. Until bam, 5. Right at 9:51, it took it. Okay. So all right. So we know better now. All right. Then we have a no man's land 74, 79. Boom, break of 74. Confirmation that the Bears are the ones in control. Where are they going? 65. How? By way of where? By way of 69. So what's the main play now? Sure. Is he going to go to 65, 60 on a straight line? I don't think so. But this is what we are now expecting. Is it guaranteed it's going to happen? Of course not. Just like we noticed when the market decided to change direction to the downside, to the other side, it could easily change direction back to bull. We're gonna watch it. All right. Now we need to continue analyzing the future, see if the bulls wants to eventually take back control, and then and then we'll see what we do, right? Okay. But one thing is for sure: smart money being vicious. All right, being vicious with the retail trader. So we love this volatility. Okay, look at that. Our our by the way of 69. Look at it. Look, by our way of holding beautifully, bounce, and then back to where? To no man's land, 74, 79. So we're going to be looking at 79, 75, 79 the same way we were looking at them before the drop. It's just that now these 5 points are not support, and they're not an area of demand, like the teenagers say. But now it's an area of supply. Okay. All right. So what's going to happen? Well, we have to be on the lookout for the 74, 79. All righty. Okay. Okay. We're going to put this over here. We're not interested anymore. All right. It's long either. Okay. So the main play, it's a beautiful chore, right? Okay. That started as a counter trend because the main play was long. So those traders that jumped the gun 86, congratulations, and now we continue. Alrighty. So okay, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty. Okay, so change hats to bear. Price goes to the first resistance. Second resistance 79. Mid range is 77. Okay. So the price doing everything exactly what we said. Right. We still believe that the bears are in temporary control. Right. And we're gonna continue playing the short side as the main play. Okay, and then if the price goes to 79, right, that's gonna be our confirmation that we should get the hell out of here. Right, 79. Price takes 79. Are you kidding me? It's no man's land. 79, 80, and change. It's gonna be extremely difficult to play. Okay. Alrighty, so hang in there, right? Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, pretty good. Alright, so summary. We made 13 points on the way up. Change hat. We know everything about 74. So everything is recorded, by the way. Alrighty, price goes to our resistance here, 70, right? 75. Look at this beautiful 75, right? 75, right? Point above our first support. Okay. Okay, so, all right, 65 by way of 69. Look at it. It's right here. Beautiful. What do you think just happened? Well, our by way of 69, remember that we've known it way before the price went to 69. We knew there was going to be a bounce there. Where to? To the new resistance right there, 76. Okay, and now then we're gonna, what do you think is gonna happen from now on? Every single forecast that I gave you since the open today, since the open mic, we've known all these levels before. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm gonna continue holding, right? Okay, we know exactly what the main play was. Change of hat. We knew when confirmation. We knew what level of support was going to stop it. 60, 69, half an hour before it happened. It did. It took it all the way to where? To our new resistance channel. And what do you think is going to happen now? Right here, right? 68, 78, 68, 68, 78, 79, right? 68, 79, 10, 11 points of lipping up and down. All right? But as long as we know direction, like we've known the main direction all morning long, then we're good. All right? And that's number one. And number two, what if, right? Okay, so keep with the plan, let it ride, and we love this volatility. We love this volatility. Yes, I know it's FOMC week. Beautiful, as long as we know what we're doing. Alrighty. Okay. This 68, ladies and gentlemen, that we've known all morning long, it was going to be a by way of. Now we have to measure it. We have to see how strong it is becoming. And it is becoming pretty strong. So, what do we want? We want a clean break of this low here. Clean break is going to take the price all the way to 60. And we're going to love it. Is it gonna be on a straight line? I don't think so. Is the price likely to clean break 68? I do not think so. Right now, it is the snake in control of this action. All right. So in other words, at 68, this pivot low right here, is pretty strong. Okay. All right. For the price to take it, it needs a lot of gunpowder, and that gunpowder is gonna take it to six. Everything there is that every single level that I gave you is right there. Okay. So what is it we have to pay attention to? Well, the shenanigans right here, 74, 79. That's what we have to pay attention to. Okay. All right. Okay. But the most important thing is what I told you 10 minutes ago. Those 13 points that we made in 10 minutes, keep them. All right? Keep them. We all know that today it just began, right? Remember? At 9:40 and then at 9:51, right? Smart money viciously dropping the price to destroy all the weak bulls and to trade and to take all the trails. All right. Okay. All right. So we went from bull to bear to snake, and that's where we are right now. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Let's see. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, watch it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, it's 79 to the tick. Okay, 79 to the tick. And erratic. Right, action. Okay, very careful. Okay, so we need to know what level the smart money needs to destroy for the bull to take back control. All right, it's not 79. Right? 79 is the beginning. All right, 79 is just the beginning. All right, but for the bulls to take back control, they need to take. All right, that's exactly what I'm looking at right now. Okay. Okay. Well, other than, of course, the high, right? Which I'm expecting the price not to take. This 87, that's not gonna happen. All right. So it's between 81 and 87. Between 81 and 87, there is a level that if taken, then the bulls would take control longer term. Right now, of course, the bulls are in command all the way since '69. Right, that's easy. We can all see it since our support '69. Right. Okay. All right. So there are three forces in play right now. Okay, so that tells you how tough uh, this morning session is. There are three forces, right, in control right now. Okay, alrighty. Okay, all right. Boom, 81, right, between 81 and the high. That's easy. 57. There is a there is a there is a level that is gonna give us confirmation as to if the longer term move it's controlled by the bull, right? So right, so 81, right? 81, 87. So that's 6 points, right? What's the mid range? 84, right? Right. That's the mid range, 84. Okay. So I'm not expecting the price to take 84 because, as far as we are concerned, it is the bears who are in control of the medium term move. All right, medium term move. Okay. Okay. Look at the volatility, ladies and gentlemen. This is absolutely beautiful. Okay. Okay. In other words, look at it. The smart money is doing. The smart money is doing to the bears the same thing that it did to the bulls half an hour ago. Look at it. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alrighty. Okay. Fine, right. Okay. 81, extremely important. And of course, the mid range, 84, right? And of course, right, the high, right? What's the high? It's 87, right? Okay, 87. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Right, so we know exactly what's going on, right? Smart money is squeezing the 79ers, sure. But we know better. Right? We know that this bounce off of our support is perfectly fine. We had support right there at 68, right? We buy support, and we sell resistance. We buy and sell support, we buy and sell resistance. All right. So as long as we know exactly before what the price is likely to do, then when it does it, we're expecting for it. And if we are expecting for it, we anticipate how the price action is going to move, and then we're just waiting right there to take action, right? Because we believe that we can predict pretty much the future. How we go with the odds. Not that we know the future. We all know that nobody knows the future, but we know the odds. And more than that, not only we know the odds, not only we know the future, but we know how it's going to happen. And that, my friend, has a good edge. Boom, 79, right? 74, 79, and then boom, price tag 79, squeezing the shorts all the way to 83. We know that this is an area of, like the kids on YouTube say, it's an area of supply, and bulls taken over by the bears taken over by the snakes. We have a 3 directions going at the same time. We just need to know which one is which one in terms of duration. Which one is the bull, which one is the bear, and which one is the snake. We know all 3, which is extremely complicated to know. But if we do, then we know exactly what to expect, right? All right. Those of you who want to know what the secret is to consistently profitable day trading, that's the secret. You need to know at all time what the price is going to do and how it's going to do it, and of course, the 7 major components of every trade: direction, entry location, stop protection, target destination, position size, trade management, and account management. All right. And to know all of this, we need to know what type of environment we have. What's the overall market direction? What's the technical direction, the conventional technical analysis? What's the true trend? Is there a phantom trend somewhere? Is there a hidden move coming sometime? What's the market mood? Is it rocky? Is the market vicious today? How many dimensions are you trading? Is the market out of balance? Is it balanced? You gotta know all that stuff. It's gotta be in your head at all times. It's unbelievable. Believe me, none of us are ever gonna have Alzheimer's. It's impossible. Okay? As long as we continue, trading and having all this information, the exercise that we're doing to our brain, but believe me, all right? Pull back off of our mid-range. Where to? Gee, what a coincidence. 79. All right, 79, right? There you go. So what's going to happen now? Smart money is going to play with everybody here. 79, 83, right? 79, 83, 4-point chop. Eventually it's going to break one of the two, right? We believe that that the current action is a snake. It's gonna be sideways, right? So sideways, what do we do? Well, sideways, right? Then we buy support, we sell resistance. The stronger the support, the higher the odds that we're gonna get a recoil or a bounce in our direction. Stop breaking, start trading, and eventually the market is going to reveal itself, and by the time it does, we are already in a trade, and what we need to do is just let it ride. It goes the other way. Get the hell out. Go play golf. Period. That's it. Okay, and that's gonna be the majority of days. 80% of the time. The other 20% of the time, we're gonna catch a trend, and that's the Lamborghini. right there, the real Lamborghini, right? So price goes to 79, back to 83. I don't have to tell you, you can all see it. And the action and the tough action continues. All right. Okay. All right. 84 quarter. Okay. Clean break to the upside. Where's it gonna go? To what do you think? To our original 90. Remember 90? It's right there. Look at it. It's right there. Okay. It's right there. Okay. 90. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's see. Alrighty then. That's beautiful. It doesn't get any more beautiful than that, right? Razor, sharp, entry short, 70, 84. Right? That's terrific, right? Um, we have to make we have to take into consideration not only the 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 direction and the setup, but we need to know how strong it is. And if we couple that with the entire market environment, which is what tell us how much risk we should take and how much if we should shrink it or right? Then that's how you do it. And then when so in other words, long story short, this 84 short that we just took right here, right? Because we believe that the bears are the medium term and the snakes are the short term and the bulls are long term, which at this point we don't even care, right? Because we have to play these two new directions. And then, all right, Capi, but gee, man, I wanted to go short 84, a big position, man. Look at that. Razor sharp entries, path. It needs to take 79 to be a fab. Right? It is a razor sharp because look, 84 goes, the price goes to 84 quarter. And then right back down to 79. 5 points, right? That's beautiful. 5 points in 3 points, that's not bad. Right? But look at 79. It's not it can't take 79. That's not gonna be easy. That means that we are in a big time chop. Chop began early today. Long story short. Alright. That's why I've been telling you, keep what you have because the smart money can easily change hats back to bull the short term. And if we have the short term, the medium term, and the long term bull, which it could easily happen, then we know that the price is going to be going to 90. And what's the other one? Oh, okay. All right. 90. Hold on a second. I'm going to tell you. Okay. All right. Hang in there. All right. That's the what if. What if the price breaks to the other side, not ours? Okay. Hold on a second. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're done. We're done with this. We're done with this action right here. This 84 short. We're done. We're not gonna take it again. We're not gonna take 84, and we're not gonna take 87. We're done shorting. Okay, we're done shorting. It needs to go already. All right. Clean break of 84. Longer term price is gonna be looking to go to our original 90. So we're done shorting. That's it. Okay, so we are 84, 79, clean break of 79. That's terrific, right? Stop, break even, start trailing, and let it do whatever the hell it wants to do. Repeat. We're done shorting. We're not gonna short 84 anymore, or 87 or 90. The current short position that we have 84, we just have to let it ride. Let it ride break 79 and continue doing whatever the hell he wants to do. Okay? All right? Because the direction is changing. See? Look at 79 holding, right? 79, 84, 84, 79, 84, 79. That's it. It's too risky. All right? It's very difficult to know which of the two is the price eventually going to break. And if we don't have that, if we don't have that edge, then we're done. All right, we're just going to manage the current position, right? Okay, so we have to continue watching every single tick, minute, second, and see. Now, our job now is to see which of the two is the price going to take, 79 or 84. All righty? That's our job now. Okay? All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So this is exactly what we want to see, right? 81, 84, 84 is a short, 84 is a short, 84 is a short. Okay. Okay. It's resistance. Remember. Okay. Clean break. We don't want to short anymore. Okay. As long as it's holding. Okay. Okay. This is the open. Everything right here. Okay, so we've been in a massive chop, hour 79, and then of course the hour 81, 87. Okay, we're not gonna short 87 anymore. It's very difficult to know. Okay, a clean break of this 84, depending at the time, bulls take control. Right now, the turtles are in control, right? Look at it. Alrighty. So we still believe that this area right here, 81, 87, it's an area of supply. And the most important thing is that we're not letting a green day go black or less red. Okay. Okay. Clean break of these 84. We're done wanting to be sure. Okay, so this is what we want. We want the price to take 79. All right. We're not gonna short 87. As long as 84 it's recoiling, we keep our short, but believe you look at it, right? I'm telling you. All right, we're not gonna buy 79. We just want to manage the current short, which is getting weaker and weaker and weaker as time passes. All right, and we're not looking to buy 79, right? Right. Okay. Because we have a small bias. It is 79 the one is going to be taken. And so being short the mid-range 84, it's okay. Right? It's okay. You cannot add. You have to, and chop is our worst enemy. So think about this. 84, right? You take a shot short, 84. Establishing a new position, 84, 79. 5 points. Everybody is locking 5 points. That's why you just cannot take it. That's it. This is a scalping, right? This is a total scalping action. All right. So we prefer to be sure manage the current short position, and we're not gonna buy 79. So if the price goes to 79, look at this, 79 to the tick. If it goes and it bounces and it goes right back up, we're not gonna buy it. Yes, we think that 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 this 79.84 is gonna be broken, and the reason we don't want to take new shorts is because a clean break of 84, it will also break 87. That's why we're not gonna buy 87. Right? Hey, why don't we go long 79 then, Capi? Because it's not high probability. Long story short, we're gonna remain short as long as the price is going down and it's not invalidating the resistance at 84 right here. Look at that, 84. Oh my God! But look, this thing just went to 85, 1 point. Look at it. Look how it happened. It goes there and then it comes right down. It cannot take it. It cannot take it. It goes right back down. That's it. Okay. That's all there is to it. I'm telling you, chances are we're done for the day as long as the price never takes this micro channel high. Then it's okay. We remain short until whatever the hell the price decides to break 79. If it is 79 the one that's going to break, which we have no idea which one is going to be up to. Therefore, we're not going to buy it, and we're not going to sell 87 either. Okay, because a clean break of this, we have to start analyzing the action again and make a decision as to, chances are it's going to continue to 90, right? And then 90, and then as long as we have this chop here, it's extremely difficult to know break of 90, where is the price going to continue going? Extremely difficult. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 601. 601. All right, so not only price is looking to go to not only price is going to be looking to 87, right? Remember, watch it with this 87. Okay. 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 We're not gonna take it because we believe that a break of right? We believe that a break of this our 84 price is gonna go to 87, right? But we're not gonna take it because we don't believe that it's gonna come right back down all the way to 84 and continue going down, right? So time right now it's 11:16, and then there's gonna be more shenanigans here. This type of action is the worst type of action that we want. Long story short, okay. All righty then. Not that it's not gonna work, like I told you, right? But it's not worth it for us to take it. All right. The bulls just took over, and they're going 90. 601. Oh my God! Can we go long there? Okay. Price never took 79. We did not want it to go long 79 before. Now it's okay to buy support because now we have direction. We believe now that the price is going to continue to 90 and 601. That's not bad. 90, 601 is another 11 points. As long as the price doesn't take this 79 right here, my forecast that the price is going to test 90 shenanigans, and then a lot more shenanigans eventually go to 601 are pretty good. All right, but we had to wait. Period. We have to wait. We have to wait until we get confirmation. We just got it. And and believe me, just because we had confirmation, we're not gonna take a huge position. No. This is gonna be a horrible trip. Okay. All right, this is an investor's type of action, not momentum trader like we are, day traders. However, we do take advantage, right? Right. So in other words, we wanted 90 at the open, and it was a tough cookie, right? Couldn't get it, right? We only got 86. Look at that here, 86, 87, right? 87. So these 3 points more that we wanted, well, we didn't get. It's okay. We still got like 13 points. So what is the smart money gonna do? Well, exactly what it's been doing all morning long. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Alrighty then. It's 87 right here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you didn't think that the price was gonna go to 90 on a straight line, would you? Right? Of course not. But we know better, right? So we have direction, longer term. Price goes to 79, right? Beautiful. We all know that once we have confirmation that the medium term direction is long to 90 and 90 and 601, then of course it's okay to buy support. Which one? Which one do you think? Our 79 right here. All right, we're gonna continue buying it, expecting the price to go to 90 and 601. All right, so this is the third time that we have to change hats in terms of the longer term direction for today. All right, so this is all gonna be a no man's land. It's okay so long as we're long here, this low, right? Look at it, right? Look at it. Break 1, 2, 3, 4 times, right? You couldn't take it. All right. If the price does take 79, it's gonna be gorgeous. It's gonna be a drop all the way to 74 and change and all of this. However, that's not what we are expecting. Okay. Okay. So, all right. So, what time it is now? It's 11:49. All right. 10 minutes to 12 noon. Right. And look at all this job right here. All right. So, we're gonna continue playing this market. Right. Main play now long that 79, expecting everything the price to do exactly what we said 30 minutes ago, half an hour ago. All right, 79 good, and let it ride to 9601. Is it gonna be an easy, nice, smooth trip? I don't think so, but that's where we're going. Well, let's see, right? At what point we're not interested in going to 90 and 601 anymore? Clean break of this 79 right here. Clean break of this 679. Then for those of us who trade the entire day, we know that we have to reduce our size right between noon and 3 p.m. But if you are really good, you can trade it. Most traders should not trade the doldrums, and here is no exception. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and we're gonna do something new also. All right, we're gonna take this 90, and we're gonna make it a range. We're gonna make it a range 90, 93. All righty. So don't be quick. Don't be quick to the trigger getting out 90. Let's see how the price breaks here. Let's see how it arrives at 90, and then, in my humble opinion, it's going to be a 90, 93 range where the price will go. What's the mid range? 91 half, right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So that's what 88 quarter from our last support 79 long, and still expecting 90, 93. It's just a matter of being patient for those of you who wants to let it ride as much as possible all day today. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, slowly but kind of surely, right? It's almost 90, and look at the counter trend, right? Okay, this is not important anymore. We all know what the longer term play is, right? Our last entry loan 79, expecting to go all the way to 90, 88, 75. So 1 point to our first, to the low of the 3 point resistance that we have here, 90, 93. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe we are pretty close, right? What is that? It's right. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that's 89.75, right? What do you think? You think we're gonna get our 90 target one that we've been hunting all day long? Right, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's 90, and I believe is 90 to the tick, isn't it? 90 to the tick. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's 90 to the tick. I kid you not. 90 to the tick. And that's target one. Yes, I know. It took the entire morning. Look at that. It's almost 2 p.m. right here in New York. Well, it is what it is. Okay, so that being said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. And remember, you can let it ride all the way to 93, mid-range, 91 half, what have you. And the most important thing, right? This is target one. Remember, target two is 601. All righty? All right, those of you who have a secretary and you have an assistant and you can have somebody babysit your position, or you have an automatic trail, have fun. Let it ride to 601. We all know exactly what to do in case of what if. Righty? All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is an FOMC week. Monday, Wednesday is the announcement. And we know we're going to have a peculiar week, as usual. And the most important thing, remember that if you're going to follow somebody, if you want to be guided, coach, and mentor in this tough arena, and you find a trader that is willing to teach and to guide you, please, I beg you, make sure that your coaching is live, real time, as it is happening in front of a studio audience. Because if it's not, it's just not real, right? Don't believe it. After the fact, we're all geniuses. As it is happening, that's a different story.